Hello and welcome to FixAnyPhoto Cloud. Today, I'll guide you through setting up your FixAnyPhoto Cloud account. First, open your preferred browser and go to your email inbox. If you're using Gmail, go to gmail.com. Look for an email from FixAnyPhoto Cloud. Once you find it, open it up. Click on the Set Your Password button. Enter your desired password, then click Reset Password. Copy your username from the email, paste it into the login page, enter your password, and click Login. Congratulations! You've successfully created your FixAnyPhoto Cloud account and are all set to get started. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.